Hello friends, I'm Mohnish and today we are going to go for a very simple thing here. So we are just going to go for a collision cases in Carla. We'll just find if the collision is there or not. So we'll use the collision sensor here. So I'll just give you a quick introduction to the collision sensors. So here we are just calling our Carla EGG4 file and that's it. And the car control, what will happen? I think this function is yeah called. It takes a right turn and then a left turn with gear zero. So you know gears one, two, three, four, five, six, and yeah, actually five. Then reverse. Okay, then uh we are initializing a variable which is time.time. So this will have the starting time which we took, and then we are calling the client, yeah, Carla, blueprint, then car model, model 3, spawn point, random is somewhere, anywhere. We don't care where the car spawns. We just want it to spawn, yeah. And then drop vehicle, we are spawning the actor in the spawn point, simulator camera. This we are setting the not camera here, the collision sensor. So we are setting the location, rotation, and all that, and we are dropping the vehicle. Also, we are attaching the thing to the drop vehicle. Then we are calling a collision sensor, like from sensor dot other dot collision. Then we are setting the spawn point of it to this thing, and we're attaching it to the drop vehicle. So it will be always near the drop vehicle, and we are calling the sensor related like on collision function. So which is here, it will first print collision. If there is a collision, this happens if there is a collision. So first it will print a like there's a collision, and it will print that the time what is the time now minus the start time. So we'll get the time duration for how much time they didn't hit and all that. And then we apply the brakes for 5 seconds and car control stop. So here we are having one flaw. So if accident happens, then again after 5 seconds we'll get the thing because we are making it to sleep for 5 seconds with the handbrake, and again when it will start, it will again collide at the same thing if it is stationary, like a wall or anything. So we are going to have three cases. So in first case, we'll just spawn one. Then second case, sorry, we'll spawn 10 cars in first case, 10 cars in second case, and 30 cars in third case. So I'm just jotting all this so as a file just like that. So okay, I'll just get with my in this window. Yeah. So I already run this test. So you see 13, 18, 23. Every 5 seconds it will show me this. Because it hit some electric pole or something here. So let me get going here. So first I'll just open this. I'll just copy this part and I'll just CD here. CD this. Better no help not saved. Yeah, okay. Then I'll just go to the examples folder. Sorry, CD examples. Then I'll go to like Python spawn NPC and with n equals to 10 and 10. So it should spawn 10 cars. Meanwhile, I'll also run this after the cars are spawned. So let's spawn run our project code, and we should have a probability it does not always need to hit a vehicle or something. Collision can happen just like that. So you see, we just turned the car. Okay, it was perfectly turned. Now you see we are just getting left turn. So we can get collision. So 17 seconds, 7.25. So that was so after 5 seconds again we'll get that 22, I think. So I think it yeah, okay, so it got crashed. Okay, so no problem. So yeah, collision happened. So of course, obviously in all of them we'll get the answer as CS. Because yeah, we want the collision to happen. That's why we'll wait. So and how many seconds? Like it was 17.25. So I'm just doing a fun activity. Just you can think like that. And now again we are going to run the same thing. I'll just close this and again I'll run this and this. You'll see pretty much. So now because of the random spawn position, we spawn somewhere and of okay, so there are no cars, so there's very less chance of it colliding with a car, so it will turn like this. Then okay, done. Third 12 seconds. So we are not getting to the objective, like colliding with a car. So in the next case, what we'll just try to do, we'll just increase the number of cars. So we might have a chance of colliding with something good. 12.35. I'll just mute the decimals also. And then we have case 3. I'm just keeping a yes, just like that, because we are of course going to wait for it collide. Then I'll just it's 52 seconds I've been doing this. Then first I'll run this, then I'll run this with 30. So let's get it. You get there should be some cars spawning here. No, we'll not count this collision. Instead, I'll just run the code again. Like we wanted to crash into cars. So there's a good chance I think now. Oh no, this thing follows traffic rules. Bike. It is the bike. No. Okay, this time we'll just try to hit a car or something to make it like little bit interesting. Why is it spawning nearby here? So now it again I know it. It'll just hit the walkers, I think. No. Just went out right. Okay, so I don't think like if we just go around randomly just for hitting it, so we might not hit any car. Like, so we have to see this like, so this is the last test and it will collide with the wall. I think, yeah. So 11 seconds. So yeah, we just wanted to test it for the car, but we did not. So how like in the next video we are just going to see how I'm going to make this collision test better with the collision test too. So stay tuned, friends, for the next video, and till then, take care, friends. Goodbye.